Hi guys, it's Julie from Renovating Made Easy coming to you from my retro Reno, and I'm pleased to say that the painters have finally finished and we've got the staging furniture in and we're ready to go to market. So this video might take a little bit longer because I'll just explain a few things as I go through, but as I said, it's a retro Reno, so I've tried to keep as many retro features as possible, like the stacked stone front wall with the original diamond shaped light. Anything that was in good condition I tried to keep. There was tiny little stones sprayed onto the veranda, so I've just painted over the top of them. We painted the red brick in half strength shale grey just to just try and make it look more modern, but kept the old timber on the meter box. So as we go inside, you can see that we've got the Jarrah floorboards polished, and I'm just so happy that we were able to do that. As far as the finish on the Jarrah floorboards go, I went for the semi-gloss. So there's three options. There's matte, semi-gloss and high gloss, and I'm more of a middle of the road sort of person when I can't make a decision, so I just thought, well, I'll just stay safe and go semi-gloss, but each of the options I think would be beautiful because the Jarrah floorboards are the hero. Beautiful big lounge room for the new homeowner. Nice separate lounge room as well, which has beautiful big windows letting in a lot of light with an aircon. But we've kept the ceiling, gorgeous old ceiling panels that were up there. Try and pay homage to the era that the house was built. Same with the stone fireplace. We weren't able to reinstate the fireplace to a working fireplace, so we just kept the cupboard doors on there and painted them and retiled the hearth to make it look more modern. There's we just kept the wall sconce there and got rid of the old aircon out of the wall. So coming through to the dining space, in these houses, they're 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom houses, and often there isn't a dining space, it's just a bench or table in the kitchen, so that's a nice selling feature as well. But what I love is these retro French doors going out into a little sunroom. So I think this sunroom will just be a gorgeous additional living space for someone. I think it could be a nice office actually, because the morning sun will come in over there. Nice breakfast room or a nice afternoon sitting room, could be anything really. So coming back through, we've got the new kitchen in, but we've kept the old panels from the old kitchen and just painted them in white gloss and put them on the back of these cupboards just to try and keep in with that retro feel. Small kitchen, but we've managed to fit quite a few cupboards in here, quite high pantry type cupboards. So there's plenty of storage in here. There is no dishwasher, but there is, somebody could easily put a dishwasher in if they want, because we've got this nook over here in the laundry, which is quite a decent sized space, which you could have as an extension to your kitchen if you wanted to. We've dressed it like that to give people that idea, because you can see here that the laundry is still a decent size. There's plenty of room for a washing machine and dryer. We needed to put new floor tiles down, so we've just gone with plain white matte so that we can try and tie it in with the retro mosaics that we wanted to keep. We've kept the blue pedestal toilet, so hoping that somebody that buys the house has an appreciation of the retro, or otherwise they just love the house and are happy to redo the toilet and bathroom themselves in their own style. Coming through to the master bedroom, beautiful big windows again, lots of light, plenty of space for a queen size bed, and we've managed to put in a wardrobe in there as well, decent sized wardrobe, so that will also be a selling point. And we've got a split system in there as well. I love getting the staging furniture people in, because they just have beautiful ideas with the staging furniture and the colours. So you can see that we've kept the retro bathroom as well. We just actually painted the blue wall tiles white, put in some new mirrors, but kept the old little finger grips style so that it ties in, and just painted the wall tiles in the shower as well. I've just cleaned the mosaics so that they actually come up looking nice and clean. So that's good. Got a nice big linen cupboard. Just got these retro looking handles from Bunnings, so that was a good score. And then we've got this second bedroom which easily fits in a double bed. I think that you could also put a wardrobe over here if you wanted to. And this is lovely because it looks out onto the backyard. So it's nice to be able to look out onto greenery from all the windows in the house. It just helps people connect with the house and you know, have a nice feeling as they walk through. This front bedroom is quite a small one. So we had this recess over here, which the stagers have dressed with a desk, which is quite nice. You could easily have a walk-in robe over there and have this as a nice child's bedroom, or you could have it as an office. So we've just kept people's options open. We've retained the old retro lights, ceiling lights, and yeah, just have enjoyed bringing life back into this beautiful old 1967 solidly built home, and I can't wait to see who buys it, because I'm hoping it's someone that just falls in love with it the way that we have. So I've done this as a joint venture with another lady, and we've just really enjoyed the process of having a project to do that you can share with somebody. So that's also been really fun. All right, if you've got any questions, make sure to ask. I hope you've enjoyed following the journey of this renovation, and I will make sure to keep you posted as to the sale. Thanks for watching. Bye.